at the time of your purchase, you are presented with two options. You can either waive the core for 15 days or you can pay your core upfront. The more popular option is the 15-day core waive option. What this means is that you have 15 days from the date of delivery. That means the date that you receive your new unit. You have 15 days from that day to get your core on its way back to us. If we do not hear from you within that 15-day time frame and you have not requested a pickup online, we will charge you for your core amount. If you have been charged for a core charge, you are more than welcome to send your core back at any point within 6 months of the delivery date, and we will provide a refund in full for that core amount. The second option is to pay the core up front. This means you're going to pay that amount in full the day of your purchase. This is for people who know that their core is too damaged to be rebuilt, or maybe they do not have a core, or sometimes people want to keep their cores. So you would, in that case, pay your core up front. This is also a really good option for people who don't plan on doing their install right away. Rather than waiving it for 15 days and being charged after 15 days, you can just pay it at the time of your purchase if you know it's going to take you a long time to complete the install. And then if at any point within 6 months of your delivery, you do decide you want to return it, you are more than welcome to return it, and we will provide a refund in full.